Bradley crawling at 8 months. Alright. Go. Go, Bradley. Go, Bradley. Go, Bradley.
Here's your pony.
Bradley, what's that? Food? Oy. Oy. Basta food na. Siguro si Bradley. Good job, anak, ha? Again.
Dito bala. Bata mo lang itong ano malayo, sa malayo. Iyan nga, ilang foil dito sa nga. Right there. Okay, go get it. Go get it. Go. Ano so?
Go. Go, Bradley.
You stay there. You stay there.
Go.
Why is it so sticky?
Ah, tamad na sa.
Yan na, raw. Ote. Oh.
Okay.
Baby's crawling.
Good job, Bradley.